Oh, what all is this? It's a Thrill Hybrid. Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. This is game 2 with the Motiv Thrill Hybrid. Standing on 25. Man! Okay, right down the middle on that one like a missile. Alright, like I said, this is game 2 with this ball. First game was like a 190, nothing spectacular. I was trying to get a feel of the ball. We were dealing with post league land conditions. I'm on game 8 so far tonight, and like I said, second game of the Motiv Thrill Hybrid. All right, and we've got 25. Damn, it's got a pretty good hook on that one. Went a little bit slower. It's about 14 miles an hour, but damn, she's got some bites. So I got this one along with the Evoke Hysteria. Here we go. Not the prettiest way to get this fair, but I got it nonetheless. So, if you saw me, you watched my drilling video on this ball. This was probably the stinkiest ball I've ever drilled. Straight up smelled like a petroleum factory. Come back, come back. There we go. So I got this at Gebhardt's for I think $105 with a discount code. I think it was $108 normally. Promo code. Brought it out to $105. Shipped to my house in about a week. Staying at 25 again. Oh, God, that was ugly. Okay. Pretty ugly. So the first game I must have left like 6, 10 pins. Oh, almost. Almost. I gave it a valiant effort. All right. Should I roll with more speed? I think so. Okay, 25. God, there's that damn flat 10 again. Hitting pocket shots on every time. 16 miles an hour on that one. Nope. That doesn't count. There we go. Ooh, that was a weird strike. Let me know if you got the Motiv Thrill Hybrid. And let me know if you got any killer scores with it or not. Yes, it sure is a pretty ball. I think it's going to do really well here on drier lands, heavy game 3. All right, there we go. Kick that right leg out. I get a strike. I notice when I really focus on my form, like I really kick my leg out, I I seem to get more strikes for some magical reason. There's something to it, I swear. All right, a little bit faster. 25. See that? Something about it, folks. Get that leg kick out. Professional style, PBA style. That's right. Put a little more spin on this bad boy. Oh yeah. Damn monster this ball is. Now we're sitting on the 10th frame here. I notice with Motiv balls, they tend to need a little bit of break-in, maybe 5+ games until they really start coming alive. And this may be the case with this ball. All right, game 2 here. 25. Damn. Works for me. Now, if I could just remember to kick my leg out on every frame would be good. I'm not gonna sloppy. Too much. Too much. All right. So not a bad game too. 225 with the Motiv Thrill Hybrid. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know if you got the Motiv Thrill Hybrid. Seems like a pretty good ball to me. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.